Use this remedy to get rid of those facial wrinkles, neck wrinkles, any other wrinkles you have. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. Like the title says, this is a perfect natural remedy for you to get rid of those wrinkles on your face, to tighten a saggy skin, removing those fine lines and wrinkles. With consistency, it will age backwardly. So this is by using natural ingredients like those you can find in the kitchen. Actually, those kitchen ingredients can do wonderfully for your skin, helping to revive your skin if you have stressful face. Like wrinkles can develop as a result of stress, so you using this treatment will help greatly to get rid of them naturally. So without wasting time, let me show you the things to get for best results. So the first thing you have to get is a mixing bowl, because you're going to mix all the ingredients, mixing them together to apply. So you have to get rice powder. So rice powder contains powerful anti-aging properties as well as antioxidant that helps so well to tighten a saggy skin. It helps to exfoliate your skin, to remove those old skin, getting rid of dead skin cells, and the results will give you a clear looking younger skin. This helps to fight free radical damage that makes your skin age faster. The result will give you a brighter, wonderful skin. Okay, so just get your rice powder. Either you get it from the supermarket or you can get it in your home, like using your rice grain. Turn it into a powder form and you're all good. That one is actually organic. Like, I prefer that one a lot. It's just because I ran out of rice, so I got it rice flour from the supermarket, but this is actually organic. Just use any product and you're all good. So another one to get is tomato. So tomato will do wonderfully for your skin, helping to revive a tired looking skin. It brightens the skin. It helps to get rid of blemishes, pigmentations, dark spots. Like, your skin is just going to be looking the best. It helps to delay signs of aging. Applying only the juice on your skin will help greatly to make sure your skin is glowing, and with consistency you will not have dark spots. Okay, and the powerful antioxidant lycopene is wonderful for the skin, making sure your skin is supple, looking younger. So another one to get here is green tea. So we are going to make use of green tea extract. There are some facial marks that requires you to make use of body content. So we are going to prepare it, bring out the content of green tea, the green tea extract. So, and that is going to help greatly to make you achieve a younger skin, like helping to support the other ingredients to work better. So the next one to add in here is rosehip oil. Before we go forward, you have to get your mixing bowl. The first ingredient you have to add is rice powder. Add in 2 tablespoons of rice powder, 2 tablespoons. And the next one is the green tea extract. How to prepare it is to add the tea bag, just like this. Then add it in there. Then you have to add in hot water. Allow it to stay for about 2 to 3 minutes so that the green tea content will infuse out. So after that, you get the tea bag out. You have to make use of the green tea water. That is what you need. Transfer that green tea water into the rice powder, the 2 tablespoons, and mix it very well. So this is just going to do your skin a very good job. After mixing together, then you have to grate your tomato. Grate your tomato, or you blend it into a thick paste, add it into the remedy, mix the tomato with the others until it's in a smooth paste. After that, you have to add your vitamin E oil. So vitamin E contains powerful antioxidants that helps to nourish your skin, protecting your skin from aging fast. Like, it's going to help to fight free radical damage that makes your skin age faster. Add in 1 capsule or half teaspoon of vitamin E oil. If you do not have vitamin E oil, you can make use of almond oil, the same quantity. Both works the same, but almond oil makes your skin glow very well. Like, your skin will be glowing so nice, and you have younger skin as well. So just mix the ingredients together, then go on and get rosehip oil. So rosehip oil is a carrier oil. Is a very nice oil that helps to replenish the skin moisture. If you have a very dry skin, it will help to keep your skin well hydrated, well moisturized, helping to prevent flaky dry skin, and taking care of all the signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. Your skin will look so beautiful and younger. So add just few drops of rosehip oil. It's a carrier oil. If you do not have rosehip oil, you can use only the vitamin E oil, or get sunflower oil. Any other oil can go. So after that, you have to mix this treatment, mix everything together until they are in a smooth paste. If your remedy is still very thick, all you have to do is to add either rose water or ordinary water. Just add a little, little by little. But if it's very watery, just add more rice powder, okay, to make it the way it should be. So after that, wash your skin thoroughly, remove all makeups and this. Then you have to apply it on your neck. Apply it on your neck and your face. So after applying on your neck and your face, you have to leave it on for 15-20 minutes. When it gets dry, you wash it off. As you are washing it off, you have to be exfoliating it, scrubbing it off on a running water. Use a lukewarm water to be washing it off, and you're all good. This treatment is going to make sure you get rid of neck wrinkles, facial wrinkles, eye wrinkles, or any other wrinkles you have. With consistency, you'll be looking younger all the time. Store the remain in the refrigerator to make use of it next time. After washing it off, apply a light moisturizer, and you're all good. So with consistent use, you will not have those neck wrinkles or facial wrinkles anymore. Go on and try this remedy, and you never regret it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.